Hello everyone, how's it going? The roads here suck here. I badly needed an intro for these vlogs. So I hope that one came out alright. I'm feeling a little iffy about it. Tell me what you guys think. Today's video is going to be a relatively quick one. What's going on here is I'm just going to give you an update about the present state of this channel, and I'm going to do this pretty quickly, okay? Because, you know, I should keep you guys informed, but, you know, this isn't something that people are going to, like, want to watch for 20 minutes. So, anyways, first order of business. As of the time of recording this, I have exactly 0 things scheduled to be published in the near future, and I have exactly 0 dashcam clips saved up in to put in my compilation folder finger. I have a folder where I put my clips to put in compilations, and then that folder is empty. It's pretty funny, but you know, I say the winter half, but half of the year for me is always like a dry season, and then half of the year is always like the meaty, juicy season, because half of the year I drive a lot, you know, and work during the summer and all that stuff, and then the other half of the year I'm always very busy with other things that aren't driving. Okay, now I have been slacking a little bit. See, first off, I don't really have too many clips. And at the current state of things, it's, I don't have anything, really. So, I may or may not actually miss a scheduled upload for the first time in, I don't know, like a year. Second, I haven't had time to respond right away to all of the comments on my channel. Okay? And third, you know, the other thing that I like to do when I'm on YouTube is, you know, go down my subscription feed and give other dash cammers support. And I haven't had time to do that. So, you know, I do apologize, but there's just been so much going on. Okay, so that's first. First order of business is I've been slacking a little bit. I haven't been replying to comments that much. I haven't been, you know, working on videos that much. I haven't been getting clips that much. And, you know, I haven't been commenting on other people's videos as much, so I do apologize, okay? Now, dash camming is kind of like fishing lazily, okay? It's comparable to getting out in the ocean with your boat, setting the fishing rod, and just forgetting about it until you come back. And either you bring back a boatload of fish, or you bring back, like, a minnow, okay? So, currently it's minnow season. Right, that's one. Try not to splash these people. Currently it's minnow season, right? Now, next order of business, it's almost February 20th, and some of you may or may not remember, but basically, that's when YouTube cuts off monetization and monetization related tools to any creator that has less than 1,000 subs, or what was it? I don't know how many hours of watch time. 4,000? Watch time for me is no problem at all, but at the time of making this video, I have some 883 subs. So I'm short of 1,000, and I don't think I'll make it. What does that mean? Okay, it means I lose the ability to schedule videos, so you won't be able to expect an upload every even day at 10 a.m. okay? And you probably won't even expect many uploads at all, because when I have time to sit down and do things, I do all of them and I schedule so many videos. But I can't obviously dump 10 videos at a time, okay? And since I don't have the ability to schedule them, you know, that's just gonna, I don't know if you guys get what I'm saying, but you know, regular uploads are gonna be a hard thing to do. And on top of that, I lose the ability to create thumbnails. So any thumbnails that I have saved are going to stay saved from what I've heard, but the ability to create them I will no longer have until I am monetized again. And you know, that's going to be hard for me because one, it looks nice, it looks nice, it looks tidy, but also the other important thing is that it grabs people's attention, okay? So things are going to get a little sloppy there. You know, people probably won't be as interested because, you know, let's face it, most people don't judge a book by its cover, but a cover does help a great deal, okay? And, you know, and one more thing I'm actually scared about is, since I lose monetization tools, for videos that are over 10 minutes long, I have ads placed like every 4 or 5 minutes or so, like commercial breaks, right? And, you know, when I upload a video, I do that really quick. Insert ads in bulk, it's called. And everything's fine and dandy, but I worry, because I couldn't find any information anywhere, I worry that all of this will get lost. If it gets lost, that's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass, because when I come back to it, if I have to redo everything, that's so much work, you know? I take 5 seconds out of every video to do that, but if I have to go back and do it all over again, that's going to take hours. So, you know, I'm concerned, you know? As for the demonetization in and of itself, I don't mind. My channel is currently making about $50 a month, alright? And it ain't bad, you know? It's what my father would call FU money. FU money is basically money that you get or you have, but it is not essential to your income. You might call it disposable income, but the idea is you can literally, like, if you invest this money or spend this money, and if you lose all of it, it's fine. If you're on a subway and you're carrying a suitcase of $50,000 and you drop it and lose it, you know, the idea is, fuck it, it's FU money, right? So, you know, I lose about $50 a month in FU money, but I don't care that much. But at the same time, it's nice to have because oil changes and stuff like that. So, I don't know. So yeah, in summary, I've been busy. Expect all sorts of things to get all funny. And, you know, I hope you guys stick around and be patient, you know, and don't, you know, leave the channel because it starts looking ugly or gets inconsistent or anything like that, you know. I will keep uploading. I will try my best to give you guys stuff to watch, you know. I just love doing that. It's nice to be able to entertain an audience, and I'll keep doing that. But, you know, this is what's happening. Please be patient. And thank you so much for your understanding. Take it easy. Channel update done. TRHS out.